Hi guys, and welcome to the first Halloween look. Very simple but effective. This is Kuchisake-onna, the slit-mouthed woman. It's a Japanese folklore. So you have to choose your answer to her very carefully, because when she asks you, am I pretty? And if you say no, she will kill you. And if you say yes, she will remove her mask, which because she wears a mask to hide this, and then she will ask again if she's pretty. And if you say no, you will get you will get killed. And if you say yes, you will get the same look as her. You will get the same look as her. But you can escape her if you confuse her enough. Saying, if you ask, "Am I pretty?" then you can sort of say average, or you can say, "You're neither pretty nor ugly," and just confuse her enough so you can run away. And so yeah. So if you want to see how I do this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, let's begin with this first Halloween look. Now when we talk about Kuchisake-onna or slit-mouthed woman, it's a very plain, just a very simple look that she has. It's all about that slit mouth that we're going to create. I need a new primer. I can hardly get any out. I got a little out. I need a new. I'm just gonna primarily just right here around my nose. My pores are slightly medium sized, typical for us sensitive skin types girls. Now, a little word of caution, or just keep an eye out when I have a little friend coming in and out of the this camera. It's a little orb, so there's a spirit here, and I have seen it twice now, even before I started the camera. I turned it on, so we have a little friend with us. We have a little friend who wants to join. That's fine. The witch likes it. It's going to cover up my little friends I have around. This one is healing so perfectly, I haven't touched it at all. This is coming back, it's so annoying, and this was just coming from my brushes. And then I also have one up in my forehead. Stupid place. So, yeah. I'm just using my full coverage concealer by NYX in green. We love it. My Maybelline Instant Age Eraser Concealer in Fair, I believe it's called. Can't see the names on it anymore. As you can see, I'm almost out of it. I need new I think I have one, but I think it's dried in, and that's from Makeup Revolution. You know I love that. So I think I need to get a new one. Maybe on Thursday or Friday. I'm going to use my Real Techniques the complexion sponge. This is a new one actually, because I had to throw the other one away. So I guess this is not clean because I've used it this week, because I had to obviously go to work. So I'm using this basically every day. I love the sponge. Now I'm going to take my foundation, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Concealer in, foundation in Porcelain. Such a great one. Bit of my hand. I usually use a pump and a half, because that's enough on my face. Then it doesn't look too cakey. I'm going to set my face using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder in light. I wish they made it in transparent. So just there, and whoa, honey, that was a bit much. I came out of that. Oh well, we survive. I'm using my Real Techniques powder brush. Whoa, that was a lot. Whoa, and I'm wearing a black shirt, not good. I'm just going to do the contour. I'm taking my NYX blush and taupe and my Real Techniques contour brush. I think this has been giving me a little yeah, pimple here. Little impurity. Remember, we just want a simple look, but it's just also give the illusion that we have a pretty makeup look. Very quick. And for blush, I'm taking one of the e.l.f. blushes I have, and this is in the color Mauve. I've been using this through, yeah, I think I took it out, what was it, the end of September, start October? So I like wearing such a color when it's autumn. Highlight, you know me. I'm taking the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Ice Cold. And I'm using my setting brush by NYX for this because it's just perfect for the highlight. There. And keep it going. And now quickly off camera I'm going to do my brows, because as you can see they're getting pretty pale. I need to tint them again. And I'm using my Gosh brow kit for that, and I'm always using the darkest one in the kit because that's better for me. And so I'll be right back. Alright guys, now I've zoomed you up close, so we're going to do the eyes. I'm taking my NYX HD eyeshadow base and just priming the lids. I always blend out with my fingers because that's just way easier. And also remember on the lower lid, lower lash line. And for this look, I'm using my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in Warm Neutrals. I am digging this palette when it's full. I'm taking my crease brush by BS Cosmetics, and I'm taking the taupe color right there. Just want a very, very, very basic, everyday look. So into the crease with the color. And then I'm going to take the gold color here, and I'm taking the base shadow brush by Real Techniques. And I'm just applying that to the lid. Now this is sort of like a satin finish, because it has a little bit of shimmer to it. I'm taking my blending brush by BH and just blending the two colors here in the crease. We want it to look a little bit seamless. And I'm taking this color right here on my shading brush by Real Techniques. So we have a little bit of darkness out here, a little bit of smokiness, we like that. And once I have a left on the brush, I'm also applying to my lower lash line and going into the middle of the eye. And I'm taking my blending brush and just blending that color. And for a bit of a highlight, I'm taking my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Cottage Cheese on the brow bone and the inner corner, and then just blend that out. For eyeliner, I'm taking my NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black and lining my top lash line. I don't think I will wing it out, and if I do, there will just be a very small wing. And then for my inner rims, I'm using my NYX Slide On Eyeliner in Jet Black. Then I'm curling my lashes and applying my Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. So I'll be right back. Yes, now we're going over to the lips, because we've already done the face. And I'm using my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Monte Carlo. You know this is my favorite red. So on with that. Like that. Now I'm just going to use my setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics, the Slay All Day setting spray in Rose, just so the makeup is set, and then we will move on to the Slit-mouthed. The makeup is set. Now it's the mouth, and I'm taking my NYX Slide On eyeliner. I think it's called True Brown. I can't really see it right now because it's brown, the shaft is brown and I can't read with black text. It should have been white instead. So, and brown is very forgiving. You can also use a, what is it, a brow pencil if you want to do that. So I'm just sort of going to extend here from the corner of my mouth and just make this slit mouth state and make it jagged and all that. So let's just go to this. It's sort of just the outline. We can make it jagged as we go. So over here. It doesn't have to be even because when we see like a slit, then it's just not perfect. It's not perfection. Yeah, I think that's for now. That's for now. We come to the fun part. I'm gonna use my face paints. I haven't had these out in years, so I'm happy. I'm using the natural face paint in, what's your name? Bright red and the black, because we want a dark red. We want a dark red because that will make room. That will give a good background for the blood. Yes, I told you it would be bloody. I have got myself some fake blood. I even have some. Even have a what is it? What, a fake blood spray for clothing, but I don't think I will be using that. Okay, I'm using this brush by Resinique. This is the Dome Shadow brush. I'm just gonna wet it because we do want that. So I think we're just gonna mix. So taking the red, really load that up. There. And then over to the black. Okay, then I'm just going to go inside here. And you can see the outline was an outline, then we can make it jagged with the face paint. Now we can make a proper outline for it because we want it to look as if it is protruding, like the edge is protruding. Now we've made an outline. Now I'm taking the accent brush by Resinique. I'm taking the Warm Shadows palette again. I'm just going to take the highlight color right there because we want it just a little bit above here. To make it look more lifted. Like that. I don't think I will make anything else with it because we just need this for the background. So now I'm gonna take the fake blood. I bought this some time ago and I had it tested on my hand just for a few seconds and it's okay for the skin. I didn't have an allergic reaction or anything. So when it's safe for children, it's safe for adults as well. So I'm just going to take a foundation brush for this, and this is one by Maybelline. And this one stains a whole lot. So goopy. You can see, oh, looks like real fake blood. Real blood. Halloween just got more fun. Oh yeah. Now we're done with Kuchisake-onna. Kuchisake-onna. Because I don't want to do anything more. It's very simple, but it's still affected with the fake blood and all. And the last thing you just need is a knife. Because she has a knife. She has a knife. Well, I hope you enjoyed this first Halloween look that I just made for you. So remember to subscribe, comment, like this video if you like it. It really helps me a lot. And then you can follow me on all my social medias, and then you can also check out my blog. And then I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.